Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll be teaching you and showing you how to install one of the best adult app on Fire TV or Android TV, and the name of this app is XNXX. It's a plus 18 app that you need to, if you are below 18 you shouldn't install this or use it. And if you have maybe your kids, your teenagers below 18 that you don't want them to use this app, you can password it via the parental control in your Fire TV device. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started to what we have today. So to install this app, all you have to do is to, first of all, if your Fire TV is fresh, go to the settings section of your Fire TV. But if you have used your Fire TV and you must have set it up before, you may not need to do this to follow these steps. I mean this particular one now. But if you have the Fire TV device is fresh, so all you have to do is scroll down on my Fire TV, and then scroll to developer options. So if your Fire TV is new, you will see that these options will be off. If your Fire TV is new or you did some resetting, this is like this by default, but you have to enable it, then enable this also. Once you enable it, all you have to do is go back to your home screen. Once you go back to home screen, then you scroll up again to find, and then click on it, and then we need to download the downloader app. Click on downloader app. Sometimes when you type D, it comes out. So when you see downloader, scroll down, then click on it, and then once you see it, click on it. So you have to download it now. So after downloading it, it will automatically install itself. Then after that, we're gonna proceed to the next stage, which is downloading our adult app on our Fire TV device. Okay. So once we have done this, we have to open it. Once you launch your downloader app for the first time, you have to click. You will see this option. You will see this message: allow downloader to access photos, media, files on your device. You have to click allow, because if you click deny, you cannot be able to maximize or use your your downloader app. Okay, you have to click allow, and then once you get here, you click OK. Now, once you get here, enter this code exactly the way it is. This code will allow you will enable you to install this app. Don't worry, this app is from a trusted source. It has been scanned and it's free from any malicious softwares or files or whatever. It's clean and it's from a clean source. Okay, so once you have entered this code, click go, and then once you get here, give it a small time, because my internet is not that fast, but yours is very fast. So once you get here, you have to scroll down all the way to categories, and then choose a category. Once you get to choose a category, and then once you get to choose a category, you have to go to XXX. Okay, so once you get here, you have to go down to XXX adult. Okay, once you get here, click on this, click on the XXX adult, and then once you click on these categories, you will see this content, these apps. So we have to scroll down to XNXX. Okay, once you get here, you click on it. Then once you click on it, you scroll there and click close. And then once you click on it, then you will see this on this interface or this window. You have to scroll down and then go down again, go down, and then scroll and then click on download. And then once you download it, then we will now install it. And then before we can use this app, you need to use mouse toggle. Okay, so we need to also navigate to see how to use mouse toggle. So if you don't know how to use mouse toggle, I'll be doing a video on how to use mouse toggle. Okay, yeah, so click install, I will do a video showing you how to use this app with your mouse toggle. So once you finish downloading and installing this, click done and then click delete and then click delete again. So we have installed XNXS on our Fire TV app device. So for us to access this particular app now, all we have to do is to do what? Go on the downloader interface, you scroll to my home, click on home, and then double click the back button on your Fire TV remote, and this takes you back to the home screen, to your home page. And then once you get to home screen, go to your apps and games. Once you get there, you will find this app downloaded already. So once you launch it, you will be able to access adult content within this app. Okay, so let's launch it and see what it has to offer. So once you launch it for the first time, this is what you're gonna see. But I'm not gonna open it because this is against YouTube community guidelines. So this is it. So we're gonna stop it here. Yeah. So see you in my next video, guys. Subscribe and enable notification.